Subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem you can't like on Facebook, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, it could be a block from Facebook, so maybe you just make a lot of the same action at one time, so you need to wait until Facebook will unblock these actions for you. So it depends on situation. Sometimes it takes few hours, sometimes few days. Also, another thing you can try to check your internet connection, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, select the power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see update buttons there, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click on my